How to use a Visa gift card online. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pian Misnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can use a Visa gift card online. Now, before it, you'll have to go through certain steps before being able to use your Visa gift card online. First thing is to check the balance. Before making any online purchases, it's important to know the balance on your Visa gift card. You can do this by visiting the particular website for your card or calling the customer service number provided on the back of the card. Knowing the balance will ensure that you have enough funds to cover your purchase. The second is to register your card. Some online merchants require you to register your Visa gift card before making a purchase. This is done to protect against fraud and ensure that the card is valid. To register your card, you can visit the website provided on the back of the card and follow the instructions. Third is to add the card as a payment method. Now, on a particular website that you're about to make a purchase, suppose Amazon or such or gift cards, here I am on H&M. What you can do is you can simply head over and proceed to checkout, right? Once you proceed to checkout, there on the payment method tab, at the payment method, you'll have to add in your payment method and select Visa as the type of card. Then enter the card number, expiration date and CVV code, the 3-digit number that is on the back of the card as prompted. Some websites may also ask for the billing address associated with the card. So I'll just show you quick here. You will have to continue to check out as here on the screen. Now my shopping bag is empty unfortunately, but you can simply head into checkout and then you can set it as your payment method. So this way you can use Visa gift card online. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.